In today's video, I will walk you through how to withdraw money from Coinmarketcap. Before continuing, it is important to understand that Coinmarketcap does not hold your money or cryptocurrency. Coinmarketcap is used to track cryptocurrency information, prices, and portfolios. On Coinmarketcap, you can view cryptocurrency prices, market information, new coins, and portfolio details. If you have created a portfolio and added your tokens, you can track the value and performance of those assets. To view your portfolio, go to the Portfolio section. Here, you can see the tokens you have added and track their changes over time. For example, select a token from your portfolio and add a transaction. Enter the amount and the price of the transaction. You can also add the date when the purchase happened. After adding the transaction, the portfolio will update the information and show the changes in value based on the details you entered. The Portfolio section allows you to track your tokens that were purchased from other exchanges. The cryptocurrency itself is not stored inside Coinmarketcap. The platform only tracks the information you add to your portfolio. If you are looking to withdraw money from Coinmarketcap, this option is not available because there is no actual money stored on the platform. Your assets remain in the wallet or exchange where you originally purchased them. Coinmarketcap also has a rewards section where you can access diamond rewards. If you have collected diamonds, you can use them to redeem available rewards. To access these rewards, go to the Diamond Rewards section. Review the available items and select a reward that you want to redeem based on your available diamonds. Some rewards may require a crypto wallet. If you receive a reward that needs a wallet, connect or import your wallet to receive it. After connecting your wallet, you can view the assets received from Coinmarketcap inside your crypto wallet. For example, if you receive cryptocurrency from Coinmarketcap and provide a wallet address, the asset will be sent to that wallet. You can then view and manage the asset through your wallet. Remember that Coinmarketcap only tracks the tokens you add and does not store your cryptocurrency. Your funds remain in your personal wallet or exchange account. To track your cryptocurrency portfolio, use the Portfolio section and add your transactions. To access rewards, use the Diamond Rewards section and connect your wallet when required. This is how Coinmarketcap works for tracking assets and accessing available rewards. Thank you for watching.